Manila Day 1.1, here we come!
Yay!
Thank you sa pasalubong na Crocs, my love!
Thank you sa ako.
So, this is the lobby pala that we'd stay in Manila after airport. Hungry na ang aming mga tummy dahil it's already 11 a.m. in the morning and breakfast pa lang namin to. Hungry na yan si Sir dahil wala pang kain. Hanap po na ng food. By the way, this is the interior of their restaurant. Ito tumalang.
Sorry, floor selected is a restricted floor.
Restricted room lagi. Ay, wala ka naging mahal nga. Dapat eh. Si Hi. I don't. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'll tour you guys sa B-Prime room namin.
What are you doing there? So guys, natin ang ilang ba't naman na gamit. So, three is my shoes and naka-safety, mga alas, money. And this is the ref, mini ref. And that's adding life. And there is, oh, may pen siya, in fairness. Diba? Next is, this is the big mirror. This is, and this is their bedroom. Also the TV. Malaking TV talaga siya. And the table para magkain-kain. Wow! Yummy! So let's go to the bathroom. Here is the bathroom and the lavatory. Here's the shower area. Bath.
Papa. Kiss Papa. Love food, Papa. Very good. Wow. Ay, ganda ng kawit. Oh, asyos na natanaw pag sa amin. Oh, asyos. Wow. Ganda. Ay, ganda man ang baby. Oh. Baby kawit. Oh. One last sneak peek sa room dahil alis na kami dito. And then there's the drawers. Press. Here. Oh, here. Press. Sige, press. Down. Press down. Very good. Oh, wait lang, wait. Go, Kari, go inside. No, ha?
Where's number 9? Where's number 9? Number 9. Where's number 9?
9, ground floor man.
Ground. G. Where's G? Nato.
Okay. So, papunta na po kami sa next staycation namin na room, which is the SMDC Shore Tour. So, this will be our home for the whole week in this staycation. By the way, this is their lobby. We were waiting for our check-in. Sana stuck. Inside, Curly. Yes. Saka nga number mo. Atong pwede. Go, Curly. Go, papa. Go. Kita ba yun? Pakaliga. Where are we? Wow. Sige, go. Go, papa, go. Go. Shush. Wow. So this will be our room for the whole week. By the way, mga kaligaya, itong video na to is tapos na kami nito ng whole week. Hindi ko lang kasi na-videohan yung pagkapasok pa lang namin. Kaya ito na lang muna yung pagkatapos na. Yung pa-out na po kami. Kung gusto niyo pala yung staycation namin dun sa SMDC, ito po pala yung Airbnb nila. Just message them or di kaya mag-book kayo kung gusto niyo po. What you see in their pictures is what you get. Ganyan po talaga siya in person. Maganda po siya, malinis, and pwede ka po magluto.